Sandhya Elite Tech Park, Grade A office space. Sandhya Elite Tech Park, a Grade A office space in Nanak Ramguda Financial District, Hyderabad, by SHPL Infra, an industry leader with over 25 years of experience, which is among the top 10 business construction companies. Sandhya Elite Tech Park offers about 6 lakh square feet of built-up area for premium office space, designed with care to serve the specific needs of IT and ITES sectors. G plus 10 floors of state-of-the-art working spaces and 3-tier dedicated parking built in a 12,000 square yards of land, accessible by 2 roads, make Sandhya Elite Tech Park the ideal hub for IT brands. With high efficiency floor plate in each of the spacious floors, 100% power backup, 4+4 high-speed passenger lifts and 1 service lift, 4 staircases, high-side air conditioning and security surveillance, Sandhya Elite Tech Park can be your next office address that impressively welcomes your employees and visitors with a double-height lobby reception area. What's more, the floors are also spacious upward with 12 feet of clear height per floor. Double-glazed glass elevation makes the office space look elegant while also saving energy. Sandhya Elite Tech Park is not just about the buildings. The refreshing landscape, a gym, an ATM, a spacious food court, a sports area and other essential needs of your employees and visitors all are suitably addressed, and the property maintenance and management is handled by a reputed agency that is the best in class, because we desire to provide only the best to our clientele. Each floor space at Sandhya Elite Tech Park can be designed with 1, 2 or more offices and a spacious lobby so that you can enjoy your space along with other biggies in IT sector without being disturbed. And the 3 basements of parking provide market spaces for every office along with a lot of open parking for your visitors too in 1000 square feet. Never be worried about power cuts at Sandhya Elite Tech Park because the campus has 2 dedicated 1000 kVA transformers and a 1500 kVA power backups. And of course, IT and ITES clientele can be happy that we thought of you when we provide high-speed internet. Of course, we understand you, and that is why each office space can host over 200 or even up to 350 workstations for your employees, along with ample cabins for your managers, conference rooms and discussion rooms within your space, dry pantry and a cozy corner room for your managing directors and more. We have got you covered in terms of security with 24/7 security surveillance through CCTV cameras. And we assure you that we are quite mindful of the post-pandemic new normal, and that's why all amenities and open spaces are designed with utmost personal safety of everyone at your office in our mindset every step. Sandhya Elite Tech Park sits right next to the Jawaharlal Nehru Outer Ring Road and well connected to all major landmarks in the area. The familiar setting of the financial district and popular locations like Wave Rock, Wipro Circle, Gachibowli Circle, Microsoft India Service Center and more, and can be accessed by 2 entry and exit roads. Proximity to ORR also means that your brand visibility goes a long way and even beyond the city limits of Greater Hyderabad. Continental Hospitals is nearly next door, and AIG, TIMS and Sunshine Hospitals are not far off either. Your office at Sandhya Elite Tech Park will be less than 10 minutes away from IKEA in Orbit Mall or Shilpa Ramam. Make it convenient for your employees to stop by on their way home. And the Durgam Cheruvu is a close-by attraction too, now with its cable bridge, of course. Ample public transport connectivity is available for your employees and visitors. Metro rail connectivity on the Blue Line is less than 10 minutes away at either Durgam Cheruvu or High-Tech City, and the proposed Phase 3 of the Hyderabad Metro Rail will see a station near Nanak Ramguda Crossroad, which is at a walkable distance from Sandhya Elite Tech Park. Book your office space now. Do not lose the great advantage of being a part of a next great tech office campus in Hyderabad.